Hey Matt, my name is Lee Turbianic, and I understand you spoke with Teresa this morning regarding your website, and she had promised you a video. Well, here it is. In this video, I'm going to keep it short and sweet and show you a lot of valuable information. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So the three things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that we see on your homepage here as far as being written words. Now Google likes to see 1,500 words of content on a homepage, and that gives you enough, I guess, playroom, we could say, to fit in keywords throughout that content so you don't get caught for overstuffing and could possibly flag your site. Back in the day, you could throw a section with 20, 15, 20 keywords and just lay them out. Well, you can't do that anymore, so you have to basically hide them in a title, place them throughout your content. So whatever those keywords are, which we're going to touch base on here shortly, that's what you would do with those, and I'll show you an example of that too. But as you can see, we're looking at your homepage. I do like your site. I like that. I like your logo up here. I like how you have all these different ways for people to become clients, and this big thing right here is this contact form being right up there in the heading. That is great for conversion rates as well. But you are lacking in the content. I see maybe 300, 350 words total on this homepage, so you're lacking in that department. But I did a quick search for roofing company, Charlotte, NC, acting as if I was looking for a company to see who pops up. And the first guy to pop up down here in the organic section is Guy Roofing. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as you can see, not a bad layout, video header. He's missing contact form. But the main target here is content. So he only has maybe 200 words on his. So if you were to go get 1,500 words, we'd blow him out of the water. We'd be up to Google standards, and that would help you in the ranking aspect as well too. So now let's go back to this main search. So Google's broke down into three sections. Up top here is your Google Ads. And Google Ads are these cost per click. Well, now Google's offering this Google Guarantee. So this deals directly with phone calls only. You're not getting charged for bogus clicks and not knowing if somebody's actually going to call or not, and you're still getting charged. These, you get set up, you provide your license and business insurance. They do a background check, and then you set your maximum budget, and then they'll advertise you right up here at the top, and you only get charged if they call you. So if they're calling you, they're probably going to get an estimate and very likely to turn into a client. So that is the ad section. Now, this second section, and maybe the most important section, is the Gmb listing. And as you can see, there's only enough room for 3 in here, and you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I get my business to show there? Well, Google ranks you according to your citation sources, and a citation is basically a directory source. So it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web, in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, BBB, Manta, all them wide known places that people go to search for any type of service. You want to be listed, and the more places that your name is, the more recognition you're going to have, the higher you're going to rank in this section. Also, with having good reviews and keeping up to date with posting pictures and replying to any reviews that people leave, that also helps as well. But as you see, H&S Roofing Gutter Company's in first place, so I wanted to see how many citations they had. They only have 5 citations to claim that top spot. So this, and it's really, they're not even showing me. They don't have any powerful ones. They're all spammy. Telna, Adam. This is going to show me where they're getting them from. So, like I said, if we were to go out and get the ones that were really important, maybe I could show you an example of somebody else's, what the normal ones look like. Bing, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Manta, Chamber of Commerce, Bubble Life. All these are very powerful, as you can see. So we would go and get 100 to 200 of those for your business, get you up in this top 3, and also it's getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. Now, this third section, this is the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. And we know Guy Roofing is in first place for this keyword, and you are not. So what ranks you here is backlinks. So having the most relevant backlinks is going to get you gaining positions in these keywords. And mind you, I said relevant because all backlinks are not created equally. You want other roofing sites or blogs written about roofing to be linking back to your website, not Pizza Hut giving you a backlink, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you do roofs. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this shows me a basic overview of your whole site and its stats. So I plugged in your site, roofingcharlotte.net, showing me you have an 8 and 33, you have 14,000 backlinks coming from only 81 sites. I don't know if you have somebody doing this, but that is a lot of backlinks, and they're not very powerful. Only out of all those, only 52 are transferring any power, and that's these do follow links. You're ranking for 29 keywords, but you're only getting 1 traffic to your site, and let's see why. So this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words with the keywords you want. And I could see you're already ranking for a lot of the ones that you should be ranking for. It's just your position. You're on the second and third page for all of them. So you really only need SEO done and backlinking done, and you could really make a big change. But let's see what's out there. Charlotte Roofers, that has 100 search volume a month. Now this is a monthly figure. 100 search volume, and you're in the 16th position. So 0 through 10 is the first page, 11 through 19 or 11 through 20 is the second page, 21 through 30 is the third page. So you're on the second page. No one goes there. Roofer Charlotte NC, 150 searches a month, and you're on the third page. Roof Replacement Charlotte NC, 50 searches a month. So that's 50 people every month looking for a roof replacement in Charlotte NC that you're on the second page for and they can't find you. Roofer Charlotte NC, 80. Roofers Charlotte, 50. Roofing Contractor Charlotte, 40. Roof Contractor Charlotte NC, 70. See, there's tons of search volume, but this is your best keyword, Charlotte Roofers, and you're not getting any traffic from any of these. So let's look at your competition, Guy Roofing. Numbers are a little bit better. He has way less backlinks, but that shows his are stronger. He has 216 do follow links. And he's getting about 2.2K traffic to his site. So let's look at this page now. That's his site. Now he has a location page, Charlotte NC, and this is what he's getting from that. He's getting 433 traffic to his site just for his Charlotte location page. Let's see what kind of keywords he has. Roofing Company, Charlotte NC, 150. Look, he's in the first position. He's getting 60 traffic just from this keyword alone. Roofing Company, Charlotte, 400 searches a month. He's in the second position, and he's getting 57 traffic. Roofing Charlotte NC. You see how much tighter knit these keywords are? And that also has to do with his backlinking and his SEO that was done. But this is the possibility that you could be getting. And all we know he has powerful links, right? We know whatever he's doing is working. So we go into his links. We can grab all the powerful ones that he has and get those for your business because we know it's working for him. So we'll go here, grab them. We can go to his main site and grab them. Plus, we have access to very powerful ones that will boost you fast. And an example of how we do that is by adding content and adding those keywords throughout. So here's a site we built. It's Bryco Plumbing out of Woodland Hills. So he wanted to rank for plumber Woodland Hills. So boom, we got it right in his heading. Beautiful site. All his services listed. All his drain and sewer stuff listed, his locations where he wanted to target, and each of those is a page in itself. And then boom, we have his content. Woodland Hills Plumber, Woodland Hills Plumber, Woodland Hills Plumbers with the S, Plumber Woodland Hills, because everybody types something different. So Plumber Woodland Hills, again, and then the list goes on. But a beautiful site we have for him, and I would love to help you out with yours. If you have any more questions, feel free to call. My name is Lee. My phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Matt. And you're sitting on a gold mine. You just need a little bit of SEO to get your website in order, and you could be pulling the type of traffic that this Guy Roofing is pulling at the moment. So hope to hear back from you. Thanks for watching. And again, my number is 570-240-5257. Thank you. Bye-bye.